My name is Thomas Branch. I'm an orthopedic surgeon at DeKalb Medical Center. I have been in Atlanta since I finished college in 1977 and went to medical school at Emory University, internship there, and then the residency at the University of Minnesota, where my grandfather graduated from medical school. I have 25 doctors in my family, and I'm one of the last so far. Well, orthopedic surgery in the past was focused on catastrophic injuries, bones and fractures and those sorts of things. And about when I graduated from medical school, started my residency in orthopedic surgery, we began to understand that it's about improving your function. It's about improving your life. It's about getting back and maintaining that youthful nature for as long as possible. It's not about surviving. It's about living. The favorite part of my practice is teaching people what their problem is and how to deal with it, and a solution that they can implement themselves. I've been practicing at DeKalb Medical Center for 20 years, and I believe strongly that it's an excellent hospital, and I'm proud to be a part of its community.